We are combining the power of Python, one of the world's most popular programming languages for working with data, with Copilot in Excel. Say you're working on your company's annual revenue forecast. In just a couple of clicks, Copilot does an advanced analysis, reasoning over 3 years of historical sales data. Copilot shows a preview of what it's reasoning over, creates a plan to analyze it in a way that is immediately useful, and executes it by writing and running Python code, giving you a quick picture of your numbers. You then ask Copilot to forecast your annual revenue for the next 2 years. Copilot repeats the pattern, creating a plan for how it will tackle the task, writing and running Python code, and prompting you to iterate and ask questions about its work. If you want to make any edits to the Python code itself, you can do so directly in the workbook. That's the power of bringing Python directly into the Excel grid.